And in this video we'll be talking about objects in JavaScript. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For example, if we print something like document dot write 20, okay, and if you print this, okay, there is some changes to the index.php. I'll just edit this. So you can see that 20 has been printed. Now you might be thinking that what is object here? Now this document and this output, this screen, this 20. Now this screen has come because of this document dot write. Now here write is an object. Okay, object is anything through which you can create an instance for it. That is object. Now if we write an function here, function name, okay, and here you write two things, name and age. Now this dot name is equal to name, this dot age is equal to age. Here I have used this keyword so that it could point to a particularly object, like if you print something here. No, if you let me create a variable here where with an object where a is equal to, it's a name, so let's write where type into tech is equal to new name, and here we pass dive into tech comma, and we pass here 2 years. Now here this type into tech is actually an object for this function here. Okay, now if you print something like document dot write and we write here type in, sorry, I'm making a lot of mistake nowadays, type into tech dot name. Okay, so what we are doing here is we are just printing the dive into tech name. I hope this one might be printed, so let me just change it. Okay, I hope this one will get printed because this is the object and this object is actually pointing to this function where this keyword is actually referring to this thing. Okay, so let me just print and check. So you can see that here the diamond to tech 2019 is the value which I've passed through the object to this function. So this is what we call as object or working with objects. Now you can also go for 2, that is the age. You can just write document dot write dive into tag dot age. So I hope now this, let me just print something here else here so that it will create a separator, document dot write. This will act as a separator here. So here dive into tech dot name and this is the age. So this has all happened because of the object creation which I've created here, and these are the references because this keyword is used. Now here this is also an object which is actually printing the name of the function. Now again let me create one more object. This was not an object. For example, if we print here document dot write, we write here name dot length. Okay, let's see what is, let's see whether it prints something or not. Let me create a separator here. So you can see that the 16 hasn't printed because the length of this one is actually 16. If we count this, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So you can see that this object here is actually printing the length of the name, that is tab into tech 2019, which is equal to 16. And here this is also an object. Now this is the major object which I've created for this function name. So I hope it might be clear, and if it is not clear, you can type down in the comments. I can make one more video for it. So that's all guys, and furthermore I'll be uploading more some videos about scrapping, and if you really want to know about scrapping, you can drop a comment in the section, and according to the comment I'll upload more and more videos about scrapping. So thank you guys.